Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to Math class, Grade 4, Chapter 1 Building with Bricks. At last class, what we discussed in this chapter 2D shapes and 3D shapes. Yes, in this 3D shapes, what we learned from that faces, vertices and edges. What are the 3D shapes are there? Rectangular prism. Rectangular prism means it is a cuboid. And then next sphere, cone, cylinder, pyramid, cube. These are the 3D shapes. So any examples do you know in this 3D shapes? So I given, look at dice, sphere, ice cream cone and box. These are the examples of 3D shapes. So I told in this 3D shapes faces, edges and vertices are there. So what is mean by face? It is composed of flat surface. Flat surface means it is a plain surface. Each flat surface is called a face. And next edges. The places where something, especially a surface ends. So next, vertices. It is a point where two or more curves, lines or edges means. So that is mean vertices. So look at here. What is the name of this building? Taj Mahal. And then next, Red Fort. So who made these buildings? Who made these buildings? Mason. So what materials we use to make these buildings? So which material used to make these buildings? Brick, cement, mud and stone. These materials used to make these buildings. So a brick has make it different patterns. So what is mean by pattern? An arrangement of lines, shapes, colors, etc. as a design. In this brick we can make a more patterns. Look at here. So 11 patterns are there. You want to find which pattern is made in a circle. Take your rough note down in which pattern is made in a circle. And then next, in which pattern can you show mirror half? So what is mean by mirror half? That symmetry divides a figure or design into halves that are mirror images. So we can say, in other words, object are the same on both on the sides of a line, usually in the middle. So like that, you want to divide the both sides are the same. So that is mean mirror half. So you want to find which is made in a circle pattern and in which pattern can you show mirror halves. So look at this. What is this? Bricks. So these are two photos of the same brick. In one photo we can see only one face of the brick. Which one? This. This is the one face of the brick. In other we can see three faces of the brick. How many faces of the brick? This one? Three faces. So normally how many faces in all does a brick have? Normally it is like a cuboid shape. At last class we seen in that cuboid how many faces? 6 faces. So in this brick also having 6 faces. Is any face of a square? No. Everything is a rectangular. Draw the smallest face of a brick. In your note, draw the smallest face of the brick. And then next, which of these are the faces of a brick? Take and draw in your note. Which of these are the faces of a brick? And next, which of these drawing of a brick? These two you want to make a drawing in your note. And then next, a wall that will not fall. So Munia and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. Each makes a different wall. So first one is a Zainab wall and next one is a Munia wall. So which will be a stronger, Zainab or Munia's wall? But Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Why? What is the reason? Did you see that this game anywhere? Yes. If you throw a ball, what will happen? That glasses will one or two fall down. Remaining everything stand straight. So like that, Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. So masons too do not put bricks one on the top of the other, as Munia has done like that. So whose wall will be stronger? Zainab wall will be stronger. So you want to match in this pattern. Different wall patterns are given there. You want to match the photo of each wall. So can you do it in your book? Page number 5. You want to do the match. So can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing. And next, Jalli pattern. So in this next what we are going to see, Jalli pattern. What is mean by Jalli pattern? It is a small gap. So we can say Jalli patterns mean it is a small gap pattern. So look at in this, they made small gap between in this pattern. So look at the next. So they made a flower pattern inside, small gaps are there. So this is mean Jalli pattern. And the next Zaroha pattern. Zaroha pattern means it is a big gap. So like that, look at that entrance they made in a big gap. So that is mean Zaroha pattern. So Jalli pattern means it is a small gap. Zaroha means it is a big gap. So look at this photo. You want to find how many different Jalli patterns can you see in these photos. So what I said, Jalli pattern means a small gap. So you want to find how many different Jalli patterns are there. And next, did you see arch in this photo? I marked here. Did you see arch? So where else have you seen an arch? Note down in your note. Where else have you seen an arch? Okay children. Now I given the homework. Do the given homework. Make your own Jalli and Zaroha pattern. Refer your book page number 7. So you want to make your own pattern. First one is a Jalli pattern and next one is a Zaroha pattern. Okay children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.